And first of all, thank you very much to all the participants who have taken off on a Saturday to come for this interactive session and also to register in this course. Thank you so much. And along with me, we also have Dr. Amandeep Singh, who is also the co-instructor for this course. So we are here for the next half an hour. You can post your questions, both live, chat, we will be able to answer. And for the entire episode, the man behind all this interaction or successfully running of the course is organized by Murali. Thanks to Murali for putting all his efforts. So we are open for questions and you can post your questions.
Yes, Mr. Nanju.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I felt only one thing after seeing this curriculum. It's more theoretical, particularly CM perspective. So I was thinking of, okay, because I am one of the ex-CAD/CAM expert and NC programmer. Okay, after 38 years working, I retired from service. So having seen, I sometimes come for, particularly one girl comes, one lady, one research scholar, she comes for one, I'm not able to remember her name, Bengali name. So I attend that particularly live session. Somehow I felt particularly the CM perspective more is dwelt on the theoretical areas. That's what I personally felt. Okay.
Yeah, I do agree with you.
Particularly, I'm sorry. Particularly, I attended one or two sessions of yours in the beginning stage. Then I felt it's too much about allied things of CM. I felt it's too much little exhaustive on the other side, not mainly on the CM. Okay, sir. This is my only personal view. Okay.
No, thank you very much. See, thank you very much for your view. I fully agree.
Because I happen to be from the industry and then I am a retired person. So I felt personally a little more on that area.
Okay.
No, yeah, sir, nothing against any of you. Nothing against any of you.
No. So I fully agree with you. The way what you present, I understand from the industry, participating industrial perspective, we did not cover much. The thing is, we have been forced to follow AICT curriculum, and we were asked to go exactly or parallel to AICT curriculum so that it can have more amount of academic audience. So the next level course, which we are planning, which we have already proposed, will be focusing more on tools, using the tools and the nitty-gritties which are involved. Maybe that course we are yet to record, which will happen shortly. At that point of time, I am sure we will try to fulfill whatever is your thought process in our course. But I fully admit with you, and I agree with you, a man with 38 years of experience, the level of thinking or the level of pitch what he has can never be matched with the academic this thing. So your thirst is very high, and I admit to you, sir. I don't take it in the wrong sense. I take it as a positive comment. This will give us a leverage to justify. There are industry people who are asking us to go for an advanced level course. We will justify that and we will come back to you. Thank you very much.
No mention, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nanju.
Yeah.
Thanks. We highly appreciate this suggestion just to give, definitely, because nowadays, what the world is talking about, because you are also a practitioner from industrial viewpoint. People are talking about now CIM 4.0 within the industry 4.0 itself. So we have covered to some extent. I think in the beginning itself, the first half of the course was majorly theory. Later, some part in the practical for the factory simulation or for CNC manufacturing, some practicals are still there. The demonstrations are there. But definitely, this course was more designed for academics only, majorly. And next course that we are now trying to bring up would be more industry 4.0, maintenance 4.0, and CIM 4.0, where you will see more practical It is.
Okay, sir, one small thing. The moment I say Industry 4.0, it takes over CM. It's already, it gives it.
Correct.
Either you cannot use that word SIM at all. The moment I say Industry 4.0, I know that this company has already integrated, they have this computer integrated manufacturing.
Right, sir. Agreed.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, yes. Because
thank you so much.
I happen to work in one small company with Industry 4.0. Okay.
Right, sir.
This is where are you from? You are from Bangalore, sir.
Sir, I am from Bangalore. I am ex-HAL and ex-RollsRoyce HAL joint venture, sir.
Okay. Nice, sir. Thank you so much for the feedback.
Yeah.
The biggest application that we see for Industry 4.0 for the big data is RollsRoyce. Pay per hour engine model. I have been reading about that.
Yeah.
The RollsRoyce, it only started the overall system. It actually practically used the systems.
Yeah, excellent. RollsRoyce is doing excellent.
Digital twinning as well. Digital twins. So this theory also came from your company itself.
Yeah, RollsRoyce is doing excellent job.
Yeah, definitely. Right, sir.
Right, sir.
It is very rare to have people with so much of experience in these live sessions. Sir. Generally, we get students asking questions, or what will be the exam, what are these or that things. So nice to have people much experience than even us. So it is really great.
In fact, whenever I attend that live session with your research scholar lady, I always try to tell something else in the industry perspective, all that. In fact.
Okay, Mr. Prakash RS. Here he has posted a question in the chat box. Thank you, sir. The course is very useful. I have a question. What is the importance of ASRS? ASRS, I think you're talking about the retrieval system, automatic retrieval systems. Yes, inflexible and flexible, it is the same thing, right? So automatic retrieval system means when the robots when the space is little limited in the factory simulator itself, so automatically the material is moved to replace large amount of material which is being used to, so as the inventory is kept in the minimum amount of space. So this helps us to save floor space. Then safety is also better using this, because majorly the human integration or human involvement is lesser here, which also helps in better productivity or so. So in flexible manufacturing system, though the word is flexible manufacturing system, nowadays it is automatic guided vehicles are now known as majorly the retrieval systems or so. So if you have anything specific, you can please ask.
Yeah, just for little more, Prakash, say for example, let's go to a library, you have multiple books, right? Multiple books, multiple areas, right? All these books, we always go to library, spend a lot of time in sorting it out, picking it up and then doing it. But when we start doing it ASRS, every space, three-dimensional space is given an allocation, and there is an algorithm which follows it. And moment a worker or a customer who comes and says, I need this part, this many number of parts, ASRS is very useful for going, collecting that bin and then giving it back to the worker or the customer. So it improves the productivity and it optimizes the space. It also helps in improving the monitoring of work in progress.
Okay. Actually, I'm a PhD student. This course is actually very useful to me because actually I'm also in the PhD in additive manufacturing. So I selected this course because of the integration between that additive manufacturing.
Mr. Prakash, I think your voice is bobbing a little.
Yeah,
if you might be on a speaker, maybe if you can turn off the speaker, maybe. Or maybe you might be using earphones or so, if you can turn off this.
Is it audible? Hello?
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 Yes, now it is.
Is it okay, sir, now?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So actually, I am a PhD student. I'm working in additive manufacturing related application. This course is actually really useful to me regarding that additive manufacturing, because I am just integrating a new type of additive manufacturing process, like wire arc additive manufacturing. So this integration is actually I'm just trying to plan for after this course. So some of that topic, actually this course is very helpful for the students because actually you are not covering only for theoretical, but actually some kind of practical sessions. So that is actually really grateful for students and even like me. That is actually really appreciated because most of the sewing course I just saw is actually not speak considering only theory section. But here actually I saw many of that, including theory, that some of that relevant courses actually going like CAD modeling. So these are actually helpful, but even people maybe know, but this is actually really helpful while additionally looking in the field. So thank you for both of you for taking this.
Yeah, thank you, Prakash. I think I was able to get around maybe 50-60% of the skills the wife was moving. The CAD models or the starting of the CAD, the course actually has a versatile audience that we have here, starting from the BTech students to the people like you who are having PhD and like people like Mr. Nanju. So the CAD models started from the very beginning, from the point, line, plow, then we have sections, then we have different curves, nubs or so. So finally, we had a demonstration on what is CAD model. Definitely NC's part or the simulation part was not taken because this is just a 30 hours of the course and it could cover to a specific limit only. So anything specific, if you need, that could come in those specialized courses only. So anyway, if any query specific is there, I only appreciated it. If you have a specific query or so on something that you can post there in the forum. So we are happily trying to address almost all of them. So if you have a suggestion as well, you can post in the forum there also, it could be taken. Is anything you have in mind, you can just let us know. Mr. Nanju. Yes.
I was telling your junior, that lady scholar. In fact, I had seen HAPP, heavy alloy penetration plant at Trichy. He is one of the best NC shops I had seen in my life. Okay. It has got AGVs and then it's a pistol manufacturing unit.
Okay.
It's coming under ordnance factory. So I was part of some center of excellence in machining. So that's how I had visited that place in somewhere in close to 2002 or 4, I don't remember. So I was telling that you were a scholar to visit that type of places wherein in India you have a lot of modernized shops wherein you have total integration of SIM and then you find all AGVs and all. I just wanted to say this.
Right, sir. Sir, recently I had been to Canada the last month itself. I visited Walmart storage. They're what they call the godown or so. They have a specific word for that. So they have also installed. They call it gray-orange robots, and kind of it was just moving. It was just like a video game that we observed. The way they were producing it, they didn't let me to get into it. They didn't allow me to take the video. But what I observed, the way they are way ahead of us, sir. We have to still learn a lot of things. A lot of things have to be implemented right now.
No, so, sir. In fact, I'm sorry. In India, we have a lot of industries with the latest technology and all, but they are not known to the outside world.
Right, sir. Agreed.
Like DRDO has got something like 100 to 200 labs, wherein not many people will be knowing each other, who is doing what. All that is really very, very difficult area.
Right.
Yeah. So what I just wanted to say was why I told HAPP was that I had seen around 15 years back.
Oh yeah.
Somebody had told me also, even in Pune has got a lot of good industries wherein a lot of automation is done. That's the point which I wanted to tell, where we have in India also a lot of automation. This gentleman, one of Mr. Prakash was asking about that automatic retrieval system. I happened to go to Airbus. I visited all the Airbus industries. There, even in the stretch forming press, such a big tool, forming tool, that is in automatic retrieval system. So in front of me, whatever I had seen in HAL, which would take around maybe one shift or two shifts to get the tool and then making it stretch form, do the stretch forming, I could able to see in front of me only within few, probably 1 or 2 or 3, 4 minutes. So that's a big difference we have, in between some industries. But within India also, we have industries wherein a lot of automations are done, probably which are not known to outside world. That's what I just wanted to say, sir.
Right, sir. Definitely, we do have India is a manufacturing hub for majorly the world is looking towards us. Because anyway, they have pushed major hardware to us only to us in China. Yes, so we do need to have all those things. Right, Mr. Prakash, you have 2 queries here. Okay, he only thanked everyone. Mr. Prakash also thanked you, Mr. Nanju.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Nanju, sir, for your valuable feedback.
Thank you very much, sir. I only remember one professor who used to take MEMS classes, MEMS.
Yes, yes.
That was something like I'm talking in 2000. 2000. I don't know. Yeah. He is popularly known by some other name actually. That professor with one small moped-like vehicle used to be very popular in IIT-Kanpur.
Jain, Professor V.K. Jain.
Jain, correct.
V.K. Jain, right.
I remember it, but some other name is also told to him, which I don't want to tell anything.
Now, Professor Ramkumar is actually V.K. Jain's work is also taken by Ramkumar sir itself. He got retired a few years back, sir.
Okay.
V.K. Jain is V.K. Jain. He was when India was undergoing a transition, he played a major role.
Yeah. And he was Dada in that area, MEMS.
Yes.
Yeah.
He was in the world top 5 in manufacturing. He always had been.
Yes, sir. IIT Kanpur, I remember 2000 time.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Sorry, I because of some because of seniority by age.
Highly admired.
Highly admired.
It is a great privilege for us for having people like you suggesting further things.
Okay.
Highly admired.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, Murli, if I think nothing else is there, we can close this group and the next course we can start.
Yes, Amandeep sir. Let's close it. Thank you, participants, for joining. Thank you, Ramkumar sir. Thank you, Amandeep sir.
Hey, thank you,
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Manjunath sir. You have made the session more lively. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.